Hello, good evening. Okay, today we want to look at solution to these assignments given the last time. So we'll start by solving this problem. So let's look at question 1. Okay, so looking at this, so we want to start by solving the problem 1. So here we have changed the improper fraction, the mixed fraction, to improper fraction here, and also here to 3 all over 2 by saying 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, 3 all over 2. So the first thing we want to solve here is the brackets. So we start with the brackets. So in these brackets, we have a whole number and a fraction. So what do? We use 2 to multiply 1, then add 3 to it. So that's going to be 2 times 1, 2, plus 3, 5 all over 2. So that will be 5 all over 2. So 3 all over 2. So we just write down every other one because we are not yet reached their stage. So when we get to their stage, we're going to resolve them. So here at this point, we'll open the bracket with the fraction. So 3 times 5, 15, 2 times 2, 4. So this is going to be 15 all over 4. So minus 3 all over 4. And this is going to be 3 all over 2 plus 3 all over 4. So now that the bracket is gone, the next is division. We convert the division to multiplication by inverting this. So what are we going to do here? So it's going to be 15 all over 4 times 2 all over 3. So others will still be in their place until we are done with them. So here we can cut 2 here 1, 2 here 2, 3 here 1, 3 here 5. So we are left with minus 3 all over 4 plus 5 times 1, 5 all over 2 plus 3 all over 4. So at this point it's going to be, what's the LCM? What's the LCM of 4, 2, and 4? So LCM of 4, 2, and 4 is going to be 4. Because if we do this 2 and 4, if we say 2 in 2, 1, 2 in 4, 2, and 2 in 2 is going to be 1. Or another way to look at this is, since there is a common factor between them, so that common factor is 2, and then whatever is now left will multiply it, and that is also 2, which is 2 times 2, 4. So we say 4 in 4, that is 4 divided by 4, that is 1, and 1 times 3 is minus 3, plus 2 in 4, it's gonna, that is 4 divided by 2, that's going to be 2. 2 times 5, that's 10. And here is going to be 4 divided by 4, 1. 1 times 3, 3. So the final answer to this is going to be minus 3 plus 10. So that's going to be plus 7. And plus 7 plus 3 is going to be 10. So that's going to be 10 all over 4. So 10 over 4. 2 can still cut between them. So we use 2 to cut. So the final answer here is going to be 5 all over 2. And this, we can also convert the improper fraction to mixed fraction. 2 in 5, that is 2, remainder 1 all over 2. So this is the final answer of this. Okay, so this is the second question. So to be able to solve this problem, the first thing we'll do is to resolve the brackets. So and for this bracket, 4, this is a whole number and this is a fraction. So it will be 4 times minus 3, that will be minus 12, plus 3. So minus 12 plus 3, that's going to be plus 9, right? So it's going to be plus 9 all over 4, right? So we complete others, just put them in their place. So at this point, there is no number outside. So if there is no number outside there, it shows that that number is 1, and it is that 1 that will open these brackets. So that bracket will just be open with 1. So minus 5 over 3 plus 9 all over 4 minus 3 all over 2 plus 3 all over 2. So at this point, there is no bracket again. So what is left is addition and subtraction. So when we have things like this, we'll just add them together normally. But if you can observe closely, we'll see that this is minus 3 all over 2, and this is plus 3 all over 2. So this and this will become 0. So that will become 0. So because they are the same. Yeah. So now the next, what is now left is the resolution of these two now. And the LCM of this is what? Is 12. And 3 in 12 is 4. And that 4 times minus 5, that's going to be minus 20. Then plus 3, that is 4 in 12, that's going to be 3. 3 times 9, that's 27. So at this point, it's going to be minus 20 plus 27, that will be 7 all over 12. So the final answer is 7 all over 12. So it's as easy as that. So this is how we solve this problem. So if you got the answer correctly, you let us know in the comment section. Thank you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also click on the notification bell so that if we drop more videos, you'll be notified. Thank you.